Alright y'all, so today we're going to be doing a review on the Dhgate New Balances. So I just got them in, and these are the 530s, so let's see what's up. So they don't come with a box, they just come in this New Balance bag, which, you know, is what it is. If you're looking to resell them, then it's low-key a con, but it's alright. If you're just wanting some nice shoes for cheap. So comes with New Balance paper, which is nice for reselling. Alright, so now we got the actual shoes, and these are super clean. I mean, the New Balance logo is really clean. Got the soles of them. They're pretty much identical. So these are size men's 11s. I mean, the quality of these is absolutely amazing. The stitching is perfect. These are really beautiful shoes. Even has the logo in there. So if you're looking for some new shoes or just want some shoes to resell, I highly recommend these. Quality is amazing. I think I paid like $35 in total with shipping from Dhgate, and I can easily resell these for $90, like at the bare minimum. And so if you're looking to cop some of these, the link is in the description for these, and I also have a spreadsheet down there that has tons of other ones for you guys to check out. If you enjoyed the video or have any questions, like and comment, and I appreciate y'all watching.